Hi everyone, I am KFS Chloe. Get ready with me to fix my makeup because I'm gonna practice dancing for my Christmas party. It's Apatsa Christmas version. So I'm gonna put sunscreen. So I did this in part one. No, this is part one, but I accidentally failed it, so I did it again. So this is part one, the new part one. So I already put the sunscreen before. But we're gonna do it again. Okay, let's put it.
Ace, you have to wash your face.
Tito! Wash. The outfit directly when I see him near here. He'll say, so guys, don't grab me. So not that many put, huh? Your arm. It will be very white. Sometimes I use this when I go to our volleyballan. Unsa man jud ato is basketballan kay basket man na adto. Na karon kay volleyballan kay ni volleyball naman. They want me to use my puncher or dili na. Dili na na. Digital ka mo. Kanang after may mga sa to friends. Ato sa volleyballan na niya. Kaadto na to basketballan na di ay. Mag-call na po tag basketballan din. Basketballan, maka-call na po tag volleyballan. Sheesh. Let's shout out this akong best friend. So ako one by one ha. So first of all, my KFS girls. So KFS girls, our favorite dance. Our KFS girls, our favorite dance is 16 shots. That's our favorite. My favorite, but I don't know what's their favorite. I dance it na 2 times. In the party. And in the when birthday sa akong ate. Pag birthday sa akong ate. So don't mind sa akong dirty nga puncher. Okay. White ra kay guys no or sakto ra. Ayun yung judge ako pagka-use ako. Ano ba yung uban diya judger? Kanang uban na fake friends. Ay, char. So, kasi kasi nga brown jud akong lips. So, magputag lip gloss. Perfume. So, I'm just wearing pajama and t-shirt. So, I'm done with my face. Magputag gamay nga kilay using this. So, blurred man siya. So, let's use in there the camera. Asa naman to ako? Girl ka na sa makan din ng girl. So, it's fine. So, girl, naunsa akong para blush also. Masyag naguba, but it's okay. I can still make it. Ako mirror is na last na wagtang. Akong mirror. Hindi ako itong mirror. Practice yung gani doon sa mga makeup na. Sure. Di, oy. Para sa kuan na ni guys. Para sa inyo yan ni. Tutorial. Prank. Dun sa house or project. Huy. Uy, char pa ito. Char na po. Excuse me. It's not how I do that to prank. Dili bito ako mag-ingong. Huy, like that. I'm not like that kind of person. Hindi ko mag-ingay na. Like, mayroon ko. Huy. I'm not gonna do like that. I don't like that. Magkaroon mga friends na kung hate ko. Panghawa mo sa akong life. Kung kita ko ito mong kuha ni Shivani, Answer or Eat Lemon by Crushes. Yung gipang ingon ako day. Among mga talk about is not our crushes. Because it's not our crushes sa tinuod. For real, not hala. For real, not lying. Real dyan ako ipang tell ninyo. I swear. The lemon, she was talking about L. Said, who's L? Si Lance. Even though I don't think. But Shivani. Sa una pa Jude, she has a crush on J. Sorry. Before with Ethan. Ethan to yung partner. Si JJ ko no is Ethan. Ko ni Ethan. Cousin. Ig-agaw. Anak siya. So, ito ko mga na yun niya. Siya may kabaw ka iya binang childhood crush. Shout out dia Shivani. Imubi ako shout out ato ha. Childhood crush ito na. Ako childhood crush I mean a secret. You don't know and you don't know who. I don't know who. So maybe mag-share me o hala di makita akong blush sa camera. Lain na lang sa akong blush. Sayang gud akong brush. Dili ka malakaw eh. Dili, practice. Siyempre ito naman ko lagan. So, dance. Underneath the Christmas tree, I just want on my own. Wish you a good afternoon. Oh, I want for Christmas. Okay, akong eyebrows. So, if may mga nadaghan ko makeup, shout out TikTok. Yeah, TikTok nila ako gipang buy akong makeups. Oh no, it's already 9 minutes. Sorry guys, but I'll go to part 2. Okay, I'll see you. But don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment below what next should I do with F complete namin ni KFS. So we're just 3. K for Chloe, F for Faith, S for Shivani. So si Lian wala siya appeal sa mong KFS because we have our own LKF. So ang L po Lian, K, LKF, L, Lian, K, Chloe, F, Faith. So wala man po good may dance na itabo niya. Kaming 3 ni Lian. But namin na itabo dance ni Andrea, ako, o si Lian. But AKL man ko na to. Nakadaghan na ba sa mong dance? LKL. Ba't ka nang permi na ako dito? Ano ako permi? Lah, ako mo dito. Dance char. Dili bitaw ako. So, naalain nga. Kauban. Not always me. Dapat si Shivani. Sa LKF, ako ang first leader. And LKF na noon sa KFS. I mean KFS. So, sorry, I forgot. Bye-bye!